Why you cut the pizza like that? Why are you putting pizza in a sandwich? Why are you adding burgers to that sandwich? Why you put delicious chicken on that sandwich? And two big ass pieces of sausage. Listen, there's nothing greater in life other than anime and obviously food, but that's OD. That's too much. Who's gonna eat that? The answer is me, because I want. Where is that place?